forward number 7, Anthony White Jr. Also at forward number 16, Raymar Kaduyak. Point guard number 6, Ian Melencio. Also at guard number 9, Kurt Lactautau.
Chip going to Ian Melencio. Narinig mo ba yung ilong ko ni ating game announcer na si Richard Tapos?
Oo.
Diba? Ian Melencio. There is the jumper.
Right away, Ian Melencio giving solid mascaras. That 2-point up. Pero tabla na tayo dito.
Mabilis ang ating pace sa first quarter pa lang. Lactautau, jumper off 2 feet. If you're Bacolod, you don't want to be that team that ends up giving Negros its first win. Anthony White straight to the cup. DJ Howe, pasa kay Anthony White. Tumikada sa 3. Pasok yan. Shot from Anthony White. Only averaging 1.5 points coming into this ball game. And Hiam got inside. Lactautau, Mintis. Mike Alvarez the rebound. DJ Howe in transition. Pull-up jumper is money for DJ. 12 rebounds and 10 assists. Wow.
Wow, those numbers are really for
Eye-popping numbers, Coach Vic, no?
pang MVP talaga eh.
Mesqueriola nakalusot sa ilalim. Absorbing contact, able to Bacolod trailing by 1. Melencio tried to dump it down low. Ball intercepted. Bienes sa kabila. 2 points. The game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
That is a very good recognition by the Negros Acenteros looking for the getaway.
Turning defense into offense. Rabier.
He appreciates his team putting some fight, but closing out is actually one of the problems that they're looking forward to fix. But he will appreciate it even more if tonight is the first taste of win. Back to you guys.
Pero once you start breaking that losing streak, pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy yan eh.
Mesqueriola bumitbit sa kabila. Lays it up and in. What a stretch from Mesqueriola. Matakbo, Melencio. Special delivery papunta kay Mesqueriola. Of the MPBL, DJ House free is a miss. Eman Galman. Umatake sa loob. Galman can't finish. Back the other way. Kaduyak. Pasa kay DJ Howe. Puts on the Jets and lays it in.
Sigurado yon pag nakabala siya ng ganun.
Pumangga at pumuntos sa kabila naman.
Pag nakuha ni Kaduyak yan, this is a very good shooter. I've seen him in his previous team in college.
Ito, shooter din to sa labas. That's one of their assistant coaches that Daphne mentioned earlier in her report. Galman, bounce pass, Giyab, supalpal, inabot, tatakbo si CJ Alatica. CJ all the way for 2 plus the foul. Windit sa kabila.
Ang daming fast break dito na makikita natin sa ball game na to.
Wahing swings it. Mesqueriola on target from the left corner. Second triple for Mesqueriola. Jensan ang kasunod nilang kalaban. Ganda yun sa Wednesday.
Oo, sa Wednesday.
Oh, that 3-pointer falls down for Rev Diputado. Yung tres na pinakawalan ni Rev Diputado. Arjun
Very exact dun sa Q. Rev Diputado from NU in college.
Baclaan has missed their last few games though. So,
because of,
may injury siya.
injury siya eh. Oo, injured si Baclaan.
Layup from Rev Diputado. 8 seconds left. Wahing, nawala sa kanyang bola. Tumatakbo si CJ Alatica. Has Miko laban to beat. He lays it up and in over him.